Here's a few things we got at Frugal's today at the giveaway. Yes, another food truck. So we got some cooked ham pieces. I'm going to separate them, put them in the freezer. That way I can have it for whatever I need it for. We also got a case of these melons. I've never tried these melons. They're called the winter hair melon from Honduras. Never tried them before. So I'm going to give a couple of them away. I'm going to save one for myself. And I'm going to give the rest away to people I know. Same thing with these scones. I got a whole box of scones, like a big box of scones. I think they were from like Tim Hortons or something because there was tons. So I made bags. Yeah, they were really good. I made bags for some people because I'm going to be delivering it to people today that I know. I also put some in the freezer for myself. So I'm stocked up for a long time on these. These have raisins in them. Yum, yum. I also got 6 bags of potatoes. They gave us 6 bags. Yellow gold russets. PEI potatoes and nice potatoes. So I have 6 bags that I'm going to be giving away today because I already have 3 or 4 bags put away. I won't even need that many bags this winter. So I'm going to be giving them to friends and family that need it or that want it. I also got 6 of these big ass bags of restaurant style refrigerated French fries. So these have to be eaten soon. You can't freeze them. I tried them yesterday in my air fryer. Oh my god, they were so good. They are just like restaurant. Well, they're restaurant style, so. But yeah, I got 6 bags, so I'm keeping 3 bags and I'm giving away 3 bags. So that's what I got off the food truck. Don't mind my hair, just got out of the shower. So it's still drying, but anyways, yeah, that's what we got off the food truck yesterday. It was a lineup that was really, really long. It took 3 hours to get our stuff. From what I understand, there was 600 cars there yesterday picking up. So it was a good haul, and I'm very grateful for what we got. I'm going to be able to share that with a couple families. Welcome to Northern Ontario, where it's full of snow today. Lots of snow. Well, I'm still in the snow season. It's cold outside today. Still got lots of snow. It says minus 23. Brr. This side of the house, it's minus 30. You don't have to do that. Well, it's a bright sunny day. Guess I'm going to go do some groceries today. Hey, go do a smile. Okay, I'm back home. I did my grocery haul for the next little while. I got myself some pantry items. I thought I'd pick something up for the upcoming weeks, just in case, because I do live in Ontario, and right now the truckers are fighting for our rights. So, I went in the store. I went into the store thinking, well, people are panic buying. And, well, I think people are being smart. They're not doing what they did back when the COVID started. I think they're just buying the essentials, maybe a couple extra things for their pantry, which is good. They're not emptying the shelves like you've seen. There's some places that were empty, like some spots, but that's fine because some of them are specials or shortages and stuff like that. But it wasn't as bad as people have been saying. So, anyways, I bought some stuff for my pantry because it's needed. And this is what I bought. Not all for my pantry, just some stuff. Anyways, from the Independent, I bought a case of evaporated milk because I use that for my creamers, for my recipes and everything else. They are 99 cents each. So I bought 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I bought 10 of them. So I spent $10 there. Then I bought some butter. They were $3.99. The butter was $3.99. Like, that's a good sale. Here in Ontario, I don't know why, but the butter is $6 something usually. So when it comes on sale, I buy it. So I'm going to freeze those. And I'm good for a while. I also bought a soft tortilla from El Paso. It has a best before date for September 2022. So it's got a long shelf life. So I'm going to put that in my pantry for, a later date. I also got some chips. It was 3 for $4, so I bought 3 different bags. I bought my premium crackers from my pantry. An extra bag of sugar. I always have one ahead, just in case I need it. I also have my English muffins for breakfast. My cheese. These were $3.97. They were on special. I also bought a block of cheese for $3.97. Zivia, well, I splurged there. That went up in price. It was $5.49. Now it's $5.99. Regular price. So it's expensive, but you know what? Splurge, right? It's just the only thing I do. I don't drink, so. And then cocoa. Picked up some extra cocoa because it's always good to have in my pantry. Dish detergent. This was $2.99. It's Ultra Oxy. It's actually a pretty good detergent. I've been using that for a while now. And for $3, you can't go wrong. You get 36 loads for $3. It does the job. I picked up potato chips for $2 at Dollarama. These are really good chips. A big bag for $2. Bought some fettuccine for $1.49. I bought some penne for $1.49. It's a little, I like it when they come for 88 cents, but they weren't on special. But I picked them up for my pantry. Bought my mayonnaise because we go through a lot of mayonnaise, so I bought an extra one for my pantry. I bought a sesame seed oil. Let's get that clear. I bought a sesame seed oil for the pantry, of course. Cloves. I bought some cloves. Reason being, if I can't get to a dentist and I have pain in my teeth, or anybody I know has pain in their teeth and can't get to a dentist, you chew on a clove or keep it in your mouth close to where the cavity is. It numbs the pain. Good to have. And it's good for recipes as well. Got my eggs for the week. I got another pack of ground beef and pork because the ground beef and pork is going up in price massively. So for $10, I got 3 rolls here. I can make like 3 good meals with that. So $10, it's going in the freezer. chow mein noodles because I love tomato soup and chow mein noodles. So I'm going to use those Dollar Tree tomato soups that I bought for, what was it, a quarter? 25 cents a couple weeks back. And I'm going to make myself a nice bowl of tomato soup with chow mein noodles. My 72% dark chocolate, Swiss chocolate. Bought another bar of that. Okay, so I also bought some instant Nescafe coffee, hazelnut. So once in a while we'll have that maybe when we go out in the bush. We'll bring that with us and be able to make some nice coffee. That was $3.97 on special. Baking powder. Always in need of baking powder, so I bought an extra one for my pantry. Fine herbs and... I'll read it in English. Herbs and spices, so it's tomatoes that are cubed up with herbs and spices. I bought 2 cans. I also bought my, you know what, I can't go without this. My luncheon meat. 4 for $5. So I bought 5 of them and we're good for a while now. So that's my pantry staple right there. I actually have a recipe I want to try out. It's a stir fry using this as your meat. This was $1.99. Minute Maid orange juice. I thought, well, this would be good if someone has a cold or something in the house, you know, or someone's not feeling too good or something. So I'm going to put that aside in my pantry as well. Lentils. 2 cans of lentils. My peanuts for my squirrels and my chipmunks. Well, no chipmunks right now, but squirrels and my blue jays. And I got my Campbell's vegetable soup. They were 69 cents a can, which is very rare here in Canada. Usually they're 99 cents and up, usually $1.49 each. So 69 cents, I'm like, yep, I'm going to buy a couple of those. So I bought 4 of them. I like to put them in my casseroles and stuff, so Crock-Pot Tuesday kind of thing. And, so I got my water. I got some distilled water and some spring water. Those were 99 cents each. And it came up to a total of, oh, get this, guys. This here, 10 cans of evaporated milk. Okay. And 5 things of butter. I don't even know what you call that. A pound of butter? I guess so. Anyways, 5 things of butter cost me, guess, $15.95. It would have cost me $35.95, but I used my PC points. Those are shopping points that you use with your card. Every time you buy something, they put points on it, kind of thing. Anyways, yeah, I used $20, and guess what? I got $20 off. So this cost me, like I said, $15.95 for all these evaporated milks and butter. I was quite happy with that. That's a deal right there, I'll tell you. And as for everything here, and as for everything you see here, everything else that I showed you, that came up to a total of, where's my receipt? There it is. The total on that was $98.44. So under $100. Which is great because I was planning on a $100 run, you know, to fill up most of my pantry with my stuff. And, yeah, that's what I got. I could have done better if there was better deals. But inflation is there now. It's a lot more expensive to buy groceries. But there was some stuff that was still at, you know, the regular price that I remember. So I picked those things up. But $98 for my groceries. Plus the $15 for this. And there we go. That's my haul for today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And be sure to leave a comment below. Groceries are done today. It's time to relax. See you again tomorrow. Bye for now.